Hello. Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Hi guys! Welcome to another travel adventure.
In today's episode, we make our way to Prague in Czech Republic. Stay tuned as we explore together this beautiful European capital. We hope you will enjoy watching this video.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will start this video series with our travel to Prague and our accommodation.
Welcome to Czech. Just touched down in Prague. We're gonna make our way out, take a bus and go to our hotel. We just got our tickets from the vending machine and we're gonna hop in the bus. And we are gonna hop in bus 119. And now we are exchanging for a tram that takes us to our hotel. Why you have a mask put in your outdoor?
Because I don't want to put it out and put it in again.
Yeah, like this.
Put it out and put it in.
Aleja has fallen asleep while we are waiting for the tram. We just came down from the tram. We got an old one, a bit high for the stroller, but we made it in and out, and we are now walking towards the hotel apartments. This is our neighborhood. We are 2 minutes away from Charles Bridge. This is the street we are on, and that's the building where we rented a flat. They're up there on the 3rd floor. Let's go inside and show you a quick room tour.
Welcome to Prague. Come over. We just reached here in Prague and we are at the center of Prague near the Charles Bridge. And we're just here in our apartment and we wanted to show you how it looks like. So as you enter the room, you will see right away the kitchen. This is our kitchen. Very basic kitchen. We have cupboards. Yeah, you can wash, and these are plates. That, and there's like a very basic stove. We have a dishwasher. What's over here? Like a garbage can. Our fridge is over here. We don't have it yet. We're gonna be going later to the grocery to get some. And then we have some pans. And the cutleries are here. Now, that's the kitchen, and over here at my left is the bathroom. This is our bathroom. It's kind of like oldish style. We have this bidet toilet and normal shower. Just like in most of Europe, the bathroom is so small and closed. So this is similar to that, like the old style. And then after that, you will see here our bedroom. This is our bedroom, so spacious. It has a high ceiling. And over here, you will see right away our dining table and a sofa that can turn into a sofa bed. And we have a table for lounging, a chair, and just over here is our bed. And that's how it looks like. This is our wardrobe. We have two, and look at this. You know this old style key, like you will open a chest And there's some treasure inside. So this is just like a normal cupboard wardrobe. And we have a television over here. An electric fan. The vanity area is here. And then have a secret. It's a secret, what is this called?
Cabinet.
Secret cabinet, secret room. And as you can see, there's something inside. And it is a wall. It's a wall. It's a fake cabinet. Fake door. So that's how it is. And then, as you can see, we have the high ceiling and the window is quite nice and airy.
What's the view?
The view, I don't know. Let's see the view.
These are the views from our window. We are in the neighborhood of Mala Strana, if I'm saying it right. Over there we have the US Embassy and the Italian Embassy. And over to my left side, if you walk on straight a bit, you are at Charles Bridge. We are 2 minutes away from it. Yeah, so these are the views from our window.
Map. Okay, yeah, this is where we are, and this is the Charles Bridge. We rented this hotel apartment in the middle or in the center of Prague, and it's near the Charles Bridge, so it's so easy for us to roam around because we have Elijah over with us, and we don't want to waste time, and we wanted to make the most out of it. This is our video for this room tour, and we're gonna be having more videos to come to show you around on how Prague looks like during these days.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to share it, give us a like and comment below. And if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe and bell icon below. Thanks and see you on the next one.